Hello everyone, this is Japanese Classroom by Professor Cat. And today we were going to talk about Lesson 9 and Lesson 10 in Marugoto A1, the starter level. These two lessons will focus on the time expression in Japanese. Let's go for the kanji characters first. 5時15分 15分means 15 minutes. 5時 means 5 o'clock, so it's a quarter past 5. G, the writing is a little bit complicated. G. Fun. Okay. 6時30分. You may notice that there's a change here. Yeah. When time goes to 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, there is a t here, exchange. 即音便。10分、20分、30分, like this, okay? So it's a 6:30. The kanji character is same, okay? And the third, 7時半. Han is another expression of 30分, another expression of 30 minutes. Han, that's here. Okay, so it's a little bit easier than 30 minutes. The first conversation. 日本は今朝9時ですね。シンさん、インドは今何時ですか？朝5時半ですよ。フランスは？はい、日本、that is Japan. 今 means here or now. 朝 that's morning, okay? 9時 the number here, pronunciation of 9, it's special, okay? 9時, not 9時, 9時. So in Japan now, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. India, 何時ですか? That's a question for asking what time it is. Okay, 何時ですか? 今何時ですか? So, what time it is in India? 朝5時半. 30 minutes. So it's 5:30 in the morning. フランスは? What about French? France. フランスは今1時です。午前1時。そうですか。So France is 1 o'clock. 午前 is AM in English. And PM is 午後. Gozen, 午後. Okay, this conversation is fairly simple. The second. 野田さんは毎日何時に起きますか? 5時に起きます。野田さん, that's his name. Okay. 毎日 every day. 何時に起きますか? 起きます means get up. 何時 when, what time. Okay. So when Do you get up every morning or every day? 5時に起きます。It's a 5. Okay. 早いですね。A. シンさんは早い。That's an adjective. It's really fast. It's really early. A. シンさんは What about you? シンさん。私は7時頃起きます。そうですか。7時 is 7 o'clock. 頃 means around. Okay. So I get up at 7 or time around 7. そうですか。You may notice here, 何時に起きますか ?5 時に起きます。So, if you want to express some verb, some movement after time, we will add に after the time. But if the time is around, it's not an exact time. Around 7, around 5, we will use 頃. 何時 is asked for time. What time? いつ also means what time. 何時 means like 7 or 8 o'clock. It's asking for exact time. But いつ it's like for asking for a date. 今日、明日 like tomorrow or third or fourth like this. Okay. So this is for hour or minutes. いつ is asking for a date. So if we want to ask your birthday, we will use いつ, not 何時. 何時 is like I was born at 9 o'clock in the evening. It's this, okay? Okay, lesson 10, kanji character. This is for week, okay? This is for Monday, and this is for Sunday, okay? One, two, three, 4, and this 7, okay? It's 1 week. And how to call them, express them in Japanese. 月, that's Monday. 月 means moon, okay? か Ka literally means fire. Sui, that's water in Japanese, okay? Sui. Moku. Moku means tree in Japanese, okay? Or wood. Tree or wood. Both are okay. King. King means gold in Japanese. Do. Do means earth. Nichi. Nichi means sun. The sun in the sky, so sun and moon. Here we can see that this is for weekend. So in Japanese, we will call weekend as donichi. It's like this, okay? As I mentioned before, here we got sun and moon. After all, these 5 kanji characters, these are the basic, 5 basic elements in Buddhism or some Indian philosophy, I think. The original, its original roots is from India, I think, or Central Asia, I think. 私は月曜日から金曜日まで会社に行きます。So 月曜日 that's Monday. 金曜日 that's Friday. からまで start and end. 会社 that's company. 行きます means go. Go to the company means work. I work from Monday to Friday. From and to. 会社は9時から5時半までです。土曜日と日曜日は行きません。休みです。9時から so start from 9 o'clock 5時半まで end with 5:30 so it's a 9 to 5:30 company, okay? 土曜日日曜日 weekend, okay? 行きません not go. So I don't work in weekend, during weekend. 休みです rest, okay? So から and まで that's from and to. 月曜日から金曜日まで from Monday to Friday, okay? Next. シンさんの会社は何時から何時までですか ?9 時から5時半までです。毎日7時間半仕事をします。何時から何時まで So start at and ends at. So what's your working time? Okay, here. 9時から5時半 That's the same, okay? 9 o'clock and 5:30. 毎日7時間半仕事をします。Here, the 半 also they're same with the 30 minutes. But 7時間 that's a little bit different. We learned about 7時 that's 7 o'clock. But 7時間 that's 7 hours. 時間 時間 means time and also 4 hours. 7時間半 7 hours and 30 minutes. 仕事をします。仕事 work. So I work for 7 hours and 30 minutes every day. Okay? 残業がありますか？はい。時々2時間ぐらい残業をします。残業 means overtime working. So do you have overtime working? Yes. 時々 sometimes. 2時間ぐらい So ぐらい around. We learned about ごろ。ぐらい Okay. 2時間ぐらい around 2 hours. So sometimes I will work for around 2 hours overtime. Okay, 残業します。And here, what's the difference between golo and gudai? Golo is used after for what? Like a point, okay? Around 9 o'clock, 9時頃. But gudai is used for a period of time, like 2 hours or more or less. 2時間ぐらい, like this, okay? So when we ask about how many hours, how much time, 何時間, we use this word, okay? So if we want to ask how many time you spend on maybe learning Japanese every day, 何時間 learning Japanese, 日本語を勉強します。So 何時間日本語を勉強しますか? Every day is at first. Okay, so 毎日何時間日本語を勉強しますか? Okay, so that's all for these 2 lessons. The time expression is a little bit complicated. So remember, please practice more. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.